my Priyank Kargeji, my colleague and Honorable Minister for IT, BT, Rural Development and Biotechnology, Panjula, our Secretary of this ITBT, Rahul Sharanappa Saknoor, Rajan Nanvi, Mackie Lancy, Hilary Mackenzie, Mr. Chandro here, all the distinguished guests who have been gathered here. First, I would like to apologize myself for being delayed. I had some earlier appointment. So I had committed to Mr. Priyank Karge that we'll be on time, but I could not due to various reasons. What you are witnessing today in Bangalore is you are seeing everything in your own eyes, hearing. I think you remember last week how the Honorable Prime Minister declared on this orange, whatever you're looking at. But Karnataka, about 2016 itself, we came out this policy. We came out, we know what is the future of this GFX. So we came out with a few policy. We are the first to start in the entire Asia. That is all, not only because of us. You all joined together, you all helped together to help with this, see that this Silicon Valley grows, and this is the future for the younger generation. Today you have a lot of global centers here, about 875 GCCs are in Bangalore. You have been working here, you have been invited here, more than 42 countries, leaders, different business leaders will be participating in the next few days. We know that. On behalf of Karnataka government, on behalf of my Chief Minister and all my colleagues today, I would like to assure you, this is state for innovation, this is state for R&D, this is a place for work, this is a big place for talent hub. Every youngster, every new IT professions, we produce about 150,000 IT professionals, engineers in Karnataka every year. That's the biggest strength what we have, and the entire world is looking at. I was in Davos about a month ago. I could see that a lot of international businessmen, they were looking Bangalore and India. India was being seen through Bangalore. That is what they would like to tell, and a lot of them wanted to be there. Myself, my MB Patil, we all had a big discussion and we requested them. We don't want to sign papers in Davos. You please come, see Bangalore, see the talent pool in Bangalore, see the environment in Bangalore. You could see that now you are in March, attending, I think, February end. Still you are in the entire weather. The entire city is still an air-conditioned city, except 1 month in May. You may reach about 29, 30. But the entire overall, the city will be in as an air-conditioned city. Such a type of environment, you all be working. So government is committed to support with all the policies, whatever we want. We know that you all look at, and our young boys and talented pool will support for this entire world, whatever you require on the IT, gaming, visual effects, comics, extended reality, and all you have. As you know that almost more than 2,000 crores of investment has been already looked at, and we have a record of everything. So today, under the leadership of Mr. Priyank Karge, so we are growing about 25 to 30% annually, and we have a potentiality to create 1.5 lakh jobs every year. That is the strength of Karnataka. Overall, with this, as I said earlier, with 875 global centers in Bangalore, with a strong digital media economy, with a deep technology and creative talent pool. Karnataka leadership in this is accepted not only in India, the Asia, or the worldwide. Today, as my Chief Minister gave you a lot of message to all of you, we all would like to join committedly, as myself being a Deputy CM and the in charge of this Bangalore city. We would like to support you in whatever you want on the various issues which you feel that we'll see that the speed of business, not only a single window agency, we would like to, I know that the time is important. So we are coming out with a various policies so that you should not waste time on your investment. So please look at, we will all, I think already in the film industry, we could see that this Karnataka film industry has also taken over the Bollywood, and now we are competing with the Hollywood. That the strength outside, when entering here, I could see the young talent pool waiting outside for various opportunities. They don't have place to enter here. But still, this is a place to give great opportunity. So we have target about 50,000 students by 2028, and our aim to create 30,000 high quality jobs. So we have a great opportunity to expand all of your business. So I would like all of you to once again work. You will have a future residence. About 6.5 lakh employees has been trained in this generative AI. You know that AI is taking everything now, the future of AI. Still, we have made lot of investigation issues, R&Ds on that. Still, we feel that at any point of time, the job opportunity will not go. When computers came, they had a different. But I think you all remember about India at the time of Mahabharata also, when Mahabharata and Ramayana was being shown on TVs by Doordarshan. In those days, this visual effects was being exhibited, and India took up the leading role on this issue. But now, today, we are still ahead on all this issue. So we have to made up our success stories and our policies on strengthening the talent pool, supporting the creative startups, so expanding Karnataka leadership in orange economy, which are the Honorable Chief Ministers. Again, I would like to reiterate, today you have come out with the orange economy, but we came out in 2016 itself. That is the strength of Karnataka, I would like to tell before all of you. Startups in gaming, artificial driven animation and real-time content is immersion tech growing rapidly in Karnataka. So in case of industry, academia, our students, investors, we all should join together, see that Karnataka is proud. Anyway, we are competing globally. With all the support, I am very happy all of you have come here from different part of the India and the country for this. So we want to come out with global studios. Special appreciation has been given by the Association of the Animation Industry and the partners. All of them are supporting. A lot of partners have joined here, as you see the board behind it. So Bangalore led the IT revolution, and now Bangalore will lead the India's creative technology revolution. Anyway, with the vision, I officially, as already my Chief Minister has inaugurated this GIFEC 27, I wish everyone a great, productive, inspiring event. So Karnataka, as I again said you, it is a leader of this animation, visual and effects, gaming, comics with extended reality. So I again request all of you to join. Let us join together. Let us discuss. A lot of issues should come out. Before you go, you should give a sad message that, yes, you should be the ambassadors of Karnataka, and we'll let us all join to make this event a great success. Thank you for coming. Thank you for participating in this great event.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.